This octopus is easier than it looks and perfect for beginners. All materials and abbreviations are listed in the description below. We'll start with the magic ring. I'll show the first round slowly. Make 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Place a marker in the last stitch. In second round, make an increase in every stitch. You should have 12 stitches total. Round 3. In the first stitch, make an increase. Then in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern 6 times. I'll show it twice and then we'll move on. Round 4. Work an increase in the first stitch. Then in the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet. So you should have 24 stitches at the end. For the next 4 rounds, just single crochet round. This part is nice and relaxing. Round 9. Now we start decreasing. Make a decrease. Then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And repeat this pattern 8 times. So you should have 16 stitches at the end of the round. If you are using safety eyes, insert them now between rounds 6 and 7. If you prefer embroidered eyes, you can skip this step for now. Add stuffing to the body. Keep it soft, not too firm. Round 10. This round is worked in the back loops only. Make 8 decreases. If needed, add a little more stuffing. Now make a slip stitch, fasten off and close the opening. Now let's crochet the tentacles. We'll work into the 3 loops from round 9. Attach the yarn and chain 6. Skip the first chain and make a slip stitch into the second chain. Then make an increase in each of the next 3 chains. Finish with a slip stitch into the next stitch on the body. That's one tentacle. In the next stitch on the body, make a slip stitch, chain 6, skip the first chain and make slip stitch in the second. Then make increases. And again finish with a slip stitch into the next stitch on the body. Repeat this all the way around. Fasten off and weave in all the ends. If you didn't use safety eyes, embroider the eyes and the small smile now. I think embroidered eyes look very sweet. Let's crochet the sailor hat. Round 1. Start with the 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Round 2 increases in every stitch. Round 3. Work the surround in the back loops only. Single crochet all the way around. Make a slip stitch, fasten off and hide the yarn tails. I'm adding a decorative stripe with a black yarn, using a simple back stitch. This step is completely optional. Sew or glue the hat onto octopus. And here is your finished octopus. Great job, you did it! If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to like and subscribe for more crochet. If you'd like to add a bow, I've linked a short bow tutorial here. Thank you for crocheting with me.